Hey everyone, this is Ryan, and welcome back to Unlocked English, the podcast where we make English easy, natural, and part of your everyday life. In this episode, we're gonna practice 50 small talk sentences, short, useful phrases that you can use in real life conversations. We'll say each sentence slowly, and I'll leave a short pause so you can repeat after me. That's what we call shadowing. So, are you ready? Let's unlock your English and start speaking naturally. Part 1. Greetings and starting conversations. Hi there, how's it going? Guys, repeat after me. Hi there, how's it going? Hey, long time no see. Hey, long time no see. How have you been lately? How have you been lately? It's so nice to see you again. It's so nice to see you again. What's new with you? What's new with you? How's your day so far? How's your day so far? How was your weekend? How was your weekend? You look great today. You look great today. Are you busy these days? Are you busy these days? How's work going? How's work going? These are friendly ways to start a conversation with someone at work, school, or even a cafe. Part 2. Talking about the weather. It's such a beautiful day, isn't it? It's such a beautiful day, isn't it? The weather's been crazy lately. The weather's been crazy lately. I can't believe how hot it is today. I can't believe how hot it is today. Looks like it's gonna rain soon. Looks like it's gonna rain soon. I love this kind of weather. Not too hot, not too cold. I love this kind of weather. Not too hot, not too cold. Talking about the weather is one of the easiest way to start small talk. Everyone can relate to it. Part 3. Everyday situations. Did you sleep well last night? Did you sleep well last night? I'm so tired today, I need more coffee. I'm so tired today, I need more coffee. I just got back from work. I just got back from work. The traffic was trouble this morning. The traffic was trouble this morning. I had a busy day, but it was good. I had a busy day, but it was good. Repeat these naturally and imagine you're talking to a friend or co-worker. Part 4. Talking about food and drinks. I'm starving. I could eat a whole pizza. I'm starving. I could eat a whole pizza. Do you like coffee or tea? Do you like coffee or tea? This place makes really good sandwiches. This place makes really good sandwiches. What's your favorite restaurant around here? What's your favorite restaurant around here? I tried something new yesterday. It was delicious. I tried something new yesterday. It was delicious. Food is a great topic. everyone enjoys talking about it. Part 5. Talking about free time and hobbies. These questions help you connect with people and keep conversations flowing. Okay, repeat after me. What do you usually do on weekends? What do you usually do on weekends? I like watching movies in my free time. I like watching movies in my free time. I've been reading a really good book lately. I've been reading a really good book lately. I started going to the gym again. I started going to the gym again. I love spending time outdoors when the weather is nice. I love spending time outdoors when the weather is nice. Part 6. Talking about work or study. These are safe, friendly sentences you can use with classmates or colleagues. How's your job going these days? How's your job going these days? I've been working on a new project. I've been working on a new project. Things are pretty busy at work. Things are pretty busy at work. I have a lot of meetings this week. I have a lot of meetings this week. I really like my coworkers. They're fun to be around. I really like my coworkers. They're fun to be around. Part 7. Travel and experiences. Travel questions are great because everyone loves to share experiences. Have you traveled anywhere recently? Have you traveled anywhere recently? I'd love to visit Japan one day. I'd love to visit Japan one day. I went to the beach last weekend. It was amazing. I went to the beach last weekend. It was amazing. Traveling helps me relax and learn new things. Traveling helps me relax and learn new things. Do you like road trips or flying? Do you like road trips or flying? Part 8. Talking about life and feelings. These are great for deeper, more personal small talk. I'm feeling good today, just a little tired. I'm feeling good today, just a little tired. Life's been busy, but I can't complain. Life's been busy, but I can't complain. I'm trying to stay positive these days. I'm trying to stay positive these days. Sometimes I just need a quiet day at home. Sometimes I just need a quiet day at home. I've been really focused on self-improvement lately. I've been really focused on self-improvement lately. Part 9. Everyday conversations. Perfect for everyday chat with friends, coworkers, or even strangers. Have you seen that new movie on Netflix? Have you seen that new movie on Netflix? I love that show. It's so funny. I love that show. It's so funny. I heard there is a new cafe in town. I heard there is a new cafe in town. I've been listening to a lot of podcasts lately. I've been listening to a lot of podcasts lately. Time flies so fast, doesn't it? Time flies so fast, doesn't it? So, Today, you learned 50 small talk sentences you can use in real life. These are the building blocks of real communication, not just grammar or vocabulary, but real, natural English. The secret to mastering small talk is practice, repetition, and confidence. Listen to this episode again and again, and repeat after me until it feels natural. And remember, fluency doesn't come from studying. It comes from using English every day. Thanks for listening to Unlocked English. I'm Ryan, and I hope this episode helps you feel more confident in your everyday conversations. If you enjoyed this practice, don't forget to subscribe and share it with a friend who's learning English too. You can also follow Unlocked English for more daily shadowing and speaking tips. Until next time, keep listening, keep speaking, and keep unlocking your English. Bye for now.